The FILTERBUY ones seem to just be the highest quality. Alright boys and girls, there are some parts, maintenance of your house, which just aren't that sexy and fun, but they are important. So inside this box, I have a package from FILTERBUY. I am not sponsored by FILTERBUY. I buy this FILTERBUY filter set for myself because we actually use them. So let me show you what we got here. These are 15 by 20 MERV filters, which we actually use in our air conditioning system. And I can say we have tried a bunch of different filters, and the FILTERBUY ones seem to just be the highest quality. Like, they always fit right. They're always the size they're supposed to be. They don't fall apart over time. And even when you leave them up there too long and the filter system's like trying to suck around it, they don't bend and get distorted. So I'm gonna say, if you're looking for filters that you can rely on to be true to size and do the MERV 8 thing, these are what we've chosen for our own house. If you want to get them, there is a link here on the screen down in the description. Doesn't cost you anything extra to use that, but it does help out the channel a little bit, so I'm gonna say thank you in advance. Seeing as you're still here, would you give the video a thumbs up? It helps out a lot with the algorithm, which is really important to those of us here on YouTube. And if you have any questions about it, feel free to put it in the comments. I will share whatever I know. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.